One of the toughest adventure bikes on the planet just got even better for 2026. Yeah, the Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES is back, and it looks ready to take on everything from cross-country highways to the kind of trails most riders wouldn't even think about touching. And right away, this bike is making noise in the adventure world. The big story is that Honda continues to refine a machine that already had a massive reputation. Instead of completely reinventing it, they focused on making the ride smoother, smarter, and more capable where it actually matters. At the heart of the bike sits Honda's famous parallel twin engine. It's still all about delivering strong low-end torque, smooth highway power, and the kind of reliability that adventure riders love. Whether you're loaded up for a week-long road trip or exploring remote backroads, this engine is built to keep moving. But here's where things get interesting. The Adventure Sports ES version isn't just about power, it's about comfort and technology. Honda has packed this machine with electronically controlled suspension that constantly adapts to changing conditions. Hit rough pavement, the suspension reacts. Move onto dirt, it adjusts again. Load up luggage and a passenger, the bike knows. That's the kind of stuff that makes long rides feel way less tiring. And let's talk about touring. The Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES is clearly designed for riders who love covering serious miles. The larger windscreen helps push air away from the rider, while the comfortable riding position makes all-day journeys much easier. Honda knows adventure riders aren't spending 20 minutes on a bike, they're spending entire days. Now, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, drop a like and subscribe because there are a lot more motorcycle reveals and updates coming your way. Back to the bike. One thing many riders appreciate is that Honda hasn't turned the Africa Twin into a giant luxury machine that forgets its roots. Sure, it has modern technology, but it still feels like an adventure motorcycle first. The riding modes continue to be a huge part of that experience. Riders can switch between different settings depending on terrain and riding style. Whether you're cruising on the interstate, attacking twisty mountain roads, or dealing with loose gravel, the bike can be adjusted to match the situation. Traction control, cornering assistance, wheelie management, and advanced rider aids all work together behind the scenes. The goal isn't to take control away from the rider, it's to give riders more confidence when conditions get unpredictable. And honestly, that's a big deal. Adventure riding often means dealing with rain, dirt, sand, rocks, and everything in between. Having intelligent electronics helping out can make a huge difference. Now let's talk about styling. The 2026 Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES still carries that rally-inspired look that made the model famous. It looks aggressive, it looks purposeful, and most importantly, it looks like it actually belongs off-road. Some adventure bikes look like they're afraid to get dirty. This one looks like it's searching for mud. The front end remains sharp and recognizable, while the bodywork keeps that rugged, go-anywhere attitude. Every angle of the bike screams exploration, and that's exactly what buyers in this segment want. The display system remains another highlight. Riders get access to navigation-friendly information, ride settings, connectivity features, and important bike data through a modern screen setup. Everything is designed to be easy to read even during long rides. Honda also continues offering its popular dual-clutch transmission option in certain markets, and many riders expect that technology to remain available. For people who spend long hours on the road or in stop-and-go traffic, the system can be a game-changer. Of course, some rumors are already floating around. A few enthusiasts are speculating that Honda could introduce additional software refinements, updated ride settings, or small technology upgrades throughout the model year. Nothing major has been officially confirmed beyond the current updates, but adventure riders are always watching closely for surprises. And that's because the competition is getting intense. Adventure motorcycles are more popular than ever. Every major manufacturer wants a piece of this market, yet the Africa Twin continues to hold its position because it balances performance, comfort, technology, and real-world usability better than most. It doesn't try to be the fastest bike. It doesn't try to be the flashiest bike. Instead, it focuses on being the motorcycle riders can trust when the road disappears. And that's exactly why so many people keep coming back to it. The 2026 Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES feels like a motorcycle built by people who actually understand adventure riding. It isn't about showing off in a parking lot. It's about chasing horizons, exploring new places, and knowing your bike can handle whatever comes next. For riders dreaming about crossing states, climbing mountain roads, exploring remote trails, or simply owning one machine that can do almost everything, this latest Africa Twin looks like a very serious contender. The real question is whether Honda has done enough to stay ahead in one of the most competitive motorcycle segments on the planet. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES the ultimate adventure bike, or would you choose something else for your next big journey? Let me know in the comments below.